Good morning class. Today we will study about how to separate different component of mixtures. Already we have been studied how to separate solid with solid mixtures. Today we will try to understand how to separate mixture of solid with liquids. And by help of activity we will try to understand. For that I brought some soil particles and I mixed it with water. You can see the muddy water, all of you are watching. And if I will keep it for 5 minutes, then you can easily see the different layer of water and mud particles. At the base, more mud particles are there. So, this process of settling down of the heavier particles, insoluble particles on their own in the solution is known as sedimentation. So what is sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process in which insoluble heavy particles settle down in the solution by their own, on their own. And suppose if I pour the above clean water without disturbing the sediments, the insoluble particles that settle down at the bottom is called sediments. So without disturbing these sediments, I am pouring this clean water, somewhat clean. Now you can watch at the bottom more soil particles are there, and above clean water I poured in the another container. So this process is known as decantation. Pouring the clean liquid into another container without disturbing the sediment is known as decantation. Now I will show you another process which is called loading. Here is alum and I am putting this alum into this muddy water. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you can see all mud particles immediately get settled down at the bottom. You can see how clear water it is looking. All mud particles are at the bottom and you can watch very clean water above. How it happened? Alum get dissolving water and get stuck with the soil particles. In this way, soil particles get loaded with alum and then it settle down at the bottom. In day-to-day life also, there are so many examples of loading. You have seen that shopkeepers always sprinkle water around its soap. Why? When he sprinkles water, all the light particles, mud particles or the soil particles, which is also known as dust particles, get settled down. After rain also you feel that all atmosphere seems very clean. Why? Because whatever the dust particles present in the atmosphere get loaded with rainwater and it settle down at the ground. Now next method of separating the solid with liquid is the filtration method. Now I am showing you how by help of filtration method we can separate the insoluble particles from the liquid. Here I am showing you conical flask and this one is known as funnel. And here is filter paper. I am folding this filter paper like this and I am giving it shape of cone. You can see such type of shape. Then by help of water, I am sticking it on the wall of this funnel. Now I will pour muddy water into it. And you can see drop by drop the clean water fell down from this funnel. Are you watching? Drop wise the clean water is falling down in the funnel. In our day-to-day life, we are using so many other things also for this filtration purpose, like fine particles of sand, charcoal, muslin cloth, and filter paper already you have seen. So these things are used for the process of filtration. So these are all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.